Today, Tuesday, the 25th of October 2022, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Waziri Atiku Abubakar, has touched down. He touched down about 10 minutes ago in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa state capital, for his familiarization tour to the flood-affected areas. Now, you got to recall that he was billed to have some activities, but he suspended those activities. He's going to see the flood-affected areas. He's not going to, according to him, interfere with the emergency workers doing their jobs. He just wants to see the extent of the damage, see how he can assist those affected by the flood situation. Because Bayelsa State is one of the states that's really heavily affected by the floods. And more importantly, he wants to see what he can do if elected next year, and we hope he's going to be elected, to minimize these floods, because they are perennial. They keep happening every year. So that means that government can do something to prevent them from happening.
Legacy Nation, baby.
On them as man no plan, man no go rip. Wetin man so was a man go rip. Wetin you do today, you go see go be. Wetin you sow, you go reap go be. Man no plan, man no go rip. Wetin man so was a man go rip. Wetin you do today, you go see go be. Wetin you sow, you go reap go be. Life no balance. Southern Kaduna. Politicians are charlatans, do not get good character. Life no balance, oh. Southern Kaduna. Politicians are charlatans, do not get good character. Why you they killing innocent people they throw away? Let's make killing people in Southern Kaduna. Why you pay killers to kill more people? Under your leadership, killers get impunity. Our government, oh, you are charlatan. You promise to avenge those committing felony. You insult Christ and you want become president. Political lash, important imp. Helelele.